This video right here is specifically for a 1997 Toyota Tacoma. These trucks are super easy. Once you start getting into the 98s, 99s, early thousands, it's a little bit more complex. I've seen a lot of videos of guys taking off all their grills, taking everything down, stripping it. You don't have to do that. Obviously, I didn't touch my grill because my grill is old. It's 29, 28 years old, whatever you want to say. It's just a pain in the butt. So it's 4 bolts on the bottom, super simple, super cut and dry. Then you got these side bushings, which I'll get to later on in the video. And then obviously here I'm dropping or putting my new one up. The only issue that I came across was on the side right there, underneath my running light. That is what we wired into my blinker. And it's like a super bright white LED, and I don't know if they make, well, I'm sure they make them, but I don't know where to find them. So if you guys know where to find them or have any information on that, let me know in the comments. Because I'm pretty sure I'm driving around right now illegally with a bright LED front bumper blinker light. Super simple, both front and rear. I mean, the back is even easier than the front was because it's super light, but essentially there's 6 bolts. There's 2 on the side right here, and then we're trying to find the bolt that goes on the side that keeps it from shifting side to side. And once we find it, I mean, it pretty much drops out. I didn't have to take my back tailgate off because I've seen a lot of videos of guys taking their whole entire tailgate off just to get to it. I didn't have to do that. I did have to do a little bit of cutting. Unfortunately, it's not a big deal, but hey, it fits, it looks good. Figured I'd make this portion of the video too right now. So if you guys get these bumpers, they come with wires for all 4 of these lights. So you got the light bar, it's got 2 wires, side lights, and then your fog lights. Toyota makes their front bumper really weird. So these lights is what I have for my blinkers, because the old ones that were down here on like an original bumper were my blinkers. So I don't know, they're really bright and might be illegal, so I need a fix for that. I don't know the fix for it. There's these little, yeah, it's pretty dirty in here, I get it. There's these little threaded bushings that go on right here on the side that hold the side of your bumper on. You just got to get a 10 mil in there, take it off, and then you obviously have, if you can see in there, these 2 bolts here to hold the side on, and then right underneath that there's 2 more, and then on each side it's the same thing. You got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts underneath, then this little side bolt, and it'll pop right off. And then you can take your old one off, put your new one on. Back is pretty sick too. I parked a little close to my buddy, but you got 4 lights in the back, same thing. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 of these come with their own individual wires as well. With the back bumper's real easy. Let's see, you got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt there, and then they give you this bracket that you put on. That was a pain in the butt for us to put on, so just got to play with it. And then again, it's all about wiring these things up. So if you got a friend that knows how to wire like I do, fortunately enough, he helped me wire my front and back bumper. And that was actually kind of a pain in the butt, not gonna lie. Super short, super simple video. The front is super bright, I love it. It's a very easy install, guys. Very, very easy. It's like a bolt and play. The only thing that is frustrating was the wiring. So get a buddy. Like I said, get a buddy. The backlights are great. I can finally see when I'm backing up now. Amazing. Here's a little picture of it now, up in the mountains, looking pretty good. I got black wheels coming for it, so it's gonna be cool. I guess I'll post a short or post something about it. I don't normally make content like this. I'm a dirt bike rider, but I figured this is cool because nobody's making 97 Toyota Tacoma bumper videos. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.